The 2023 model year, Canyon introduces the first ever Canyon AT4X option to its lineup. Building on the success of AT4, the AT4X trim has quickly become synonymous with robust off-road credibility. Canyon AT4X is purposefully engineered to be a premium, no-compromises, off-road mid-size truck with a 3-inch higher factory lift than every other Canyon trim. The factory lift enables 10.7 inches of ground clearance and a 32.8-degree approach angle. Also, Canyon AT4X boasts a factory-lifted, ultra-wide track 66.3-inch to elevate the off-road performance and capability. AT4X comes standard with 33-inch mud-terrain tires, Multimatic DSSV dampers, front and rear e-lockers, underbody skid plates and the exclusive Baja Drive mode. In addition, don't miss your chance to be among the first to own the action-equipped truck with Edition 1 package, which will be offered in extremely limited numbers and adds exclusive details such as Edition 1 tailgate badge, 17-inch beadlock capable wheels, performance front skid plate, front 30-inch off-road grille light bar, off-road front bumper with safari bar, winch by COMEUP, front and rear underbody cameras, reconfigurable bed rails. Within its interior features exclusive obsidian rush interior with ceramic white accents, customizable 11.3-inch diagonal touchscreen infotainment system, and an 11-inch diagonal fully digital instrument cluster. In addition, the AT4X includes a GMC exclusive head-up display and Bose 7-speaker audio entertainment system. Under the hood, the high-torque, off-road optimized 2.7-liter turbo engine, making 310 horsepower and 430 pound-feet of torque. The engine is connected to an 8-speed automatic transmission, which can be paired to rear or four-wheel drive. The truck comes with a host of standard driver assistance systems including automatic emergency braking, front pedestrian braking with bicyclist detection, and forward collision alert. They are joined by IntelliBeam Auto high beam headlights and lane keep assist with lane departure warning. The 2023 GMC Canyon will go into production early next year and be followed by the AT4X Edition 1 variant in the spring of 2023 with starting price at $63,350.